Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will explain our ICT Introduction to Database Management project. Our project name is Restart Inventory Database System for Small Businesses, ICT Marketing. Next, I will talk about the problem statement. The problem of the current system that are used by the company are not efficient and lack in performance. Because the company's current system is all in manual system, they store their data in a ledger book. Database objective. The objectives of the database are easy to access data, easy to fill the data is more secure. There are three objectives of the database. I will explain one by one. Easy to access the data. When the manual system changed to the database system, it is more easy to access the data as we can save time to search the old data. Second, easy to fill the data. When ICT marketing has an organized data system, the user will easy to fill the data, the new data, and update all the new data. The third objective, the data is more secured. The manual system is a risk as unexpected accidents can happen to the ledger book. So with this system, the data is more secure. Thank you. That's all from me. Next, I will pass to my partner.
So we will continue to the ERD, which is the entity relationship diagram. So we have 6 table content. So the first is supplier, second is item, third is restock, 4 is sales, 5 is receipt, and the last one is customer. So relationship supplier to item is one to many. Relationship item to restock is one to many. Relationship item to sales is one to many. Relationship receipt to sale is one to many. And the last one is customer to receipt. The relationship is one to many.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Arsadana binti Abdul Rashid. My metric number is 2020592148. Today I would like to explain to you about our database, name inventory. Firstly, we will create a few tables for this database. First table is table supplier, supplier underscore code varchar temp primary key as our primary key for this table. Then followed by the other attributes supplier underscore name, supplier underscore address, supplier underscore phone, and supplier underscore company. Then we will run all this code to confirm that this code is correct. Next, we will create the table customer underscore code as our primary key for this table, followed by the other attribute customer underscore phone, customer underscore name, and customer underscore IC. Then we repeat, we will copy all this code, then run to confirm this code is correct. Next is table receipt. Create table receipt underscore number as our primary key for this table receipt, followed by the other attribute receipt underscore date, cashier underscore name, and customer underscore code. For this table, we have a foreign key, which is customer underscore code, reference from the table customer underscore code. Then we will run all this code to confirm this code is correct. Next is table item. Create table item, code underscore item as our not now unit for this table, followed by the other attribute name underscore item, price underscore item, expire underscore date, quantity underscore code, quantity underscore stock, supplier underscore code, and the primary key for this table is code underscore item. This table also have the foreign key, which is supplier underscore code, reference from the table supplier. Then we copy all this code and run to make sure this code is correct. Next is table restock. Firstly, we will restock underscore code as our primary key for this table restock, followed by the other attribute date underscore arrive, quantity underscore restock, total underscore price, and code underscore item. This table also have the foreign key, which is code underscore item, reference from the item table. Then we run all this code to confirm this code is correct. Lastly, we will create a table sale. Create table sale, code underscore item voucher, receipt underscore number voucher, total underscore sale, numeric 9 to default 0.0000, quantity underscore sale, numeric 4 default 0.0, index code item, index receipt number, constraint pk underscore sale, primary key code underscore item receipt underscore number, constraint fk underscore sale underscore item, foreign key code underscore item, reference from the table item, code underscore item, on delete cascade, and lastly constraint fk underscore sale underscore receipt, foreign key receipt underscore number, reference from the table receipt underscore number. Then we copy all this code, then we run to confirm this code is correct. The last step for create a database is we will insert all the information for each table, which is insert information for table supplier, table item, table customer, table receipt, table sale, and table restock. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Razata Najwa, and next I am going to show our group project. That is the MySQL statement. Okay, which is I am going to explain about the two subtopic, which is the simple query and the column function. Okay, first for the question simple query, first one, write a query to display the names of items that price more than 10. Okay. For the SQL statement, there is the select name underscore item, price underscore item, and we get it from the item table, which is the price underscore item more than 10 ringgit. Okay, so when we run this SQL statement, it will show the output of the name item that is more than 10 ringgit. Okay, next we are going to the second question for the simple query, which is the question that is the list for all restock whose prices are between 10 ringgit and 30 ringgit. Okay, for the SQL statement, select from the restock table and where total underscore price between 10 ringgit and 30 ringgit. and then we will run this SQL statement, and this is the output for this question. Okay, so we can see it, and the total price from the restock table, which is the price between 10 ringgit and 30 ringgit. Okay, next for the second subtopic, which is the column function. Okay, the two questions that we get from the column function, there is the first one, using the restock table, write query to display the restock code and the average total price, and then limiting the average ticket price greater or equal to 30, and replace the calculate column name using the average price. Okay, so here for the SQL statement, first one, select the restock underscore code, round average total underscore price, which is 2, as average price. Okay, so we get it from the restock table, and then we group by restock underscore code and having average total underscore price, which is more than or equal to 30. Okay, when we run this SQL statement, we will get the output for this statement, which is the restock code and the average price, which is the greater or equal to 30. Okay, for the last question for the column function, which is the write a query to show the receipt numbers and average total sale, which is we only use the sale table only, and display the average value that are greater than 20 ringgit only. Okay, for the SQL statement, select receipt underscore number, round average total underscore sale, which is 2, and from sale table we get it, and group by for the receipt underscore number, and then we are having the average total underscore sale, which is greater than 20 ringgit, and this is the output for the last SQL statement, which is the table of the receipt number and the average total sale, which is more than 20 ringgit. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
In this video, we continue with some SQL examples such as join query and subquery. First, we go at our first question, which is select supplier that supply more than 2 items from table item. This is code for this question. First, we select all from supplier, and we take 2 table, supplier and item. The condition is supply code must be equal with supply code in table item. We group by with supply code in table item, and we give a condition for the count for supply code more than 2. Next, we run this code, and we can see the output. Next, we go to the second question, display customer name and contact phone that buy on 3rd January 2022. Please follow customer name ascending. First, we select customer name from table customer and customer phone from table customer, and we take 2 table, customer and receipt. We put the condition where customer code in table customer must be equal in customer code in table receipt, and receipt date equals to 2002-13, order by customer name. We run this code. This should the output for this question. Next, we go to third question, display supplier company that supply more than 3 items. List follow supplier company ascending. First, we select supplier company from table supplier and count supplier code from table item, and as a total supply, we take 2 tables, supplier and item. We put a condition, supplier code from table supplier must be equal with supplier code in table item. We put group by for supplier code, and having count supplier code must more than 3, and order by in supplier company. We run this code, this should the output for this question. Next, we go to next subtopic, which is subquery. First question is, which item do have restored assigned to them? This code for this question, select code item, name item from item, where code item in, select code item from restock. So we run this code and this should the output for this question. Next, for the last question is, display list of customer code and customer name that have buy an item. List must follow customer code ascending. This code select customer code, customer name from customer, where customer code in, select customer code from receipt, and this is the item. This is the output. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so lastly, for the conclusion of the project, is the database is very useful to the businesswoman or businessmen who have a small business, which is they can solve their problem about their managing their system in their small business. So that's all from my team, and thank you.